If you're watching this video, the chances are you already own or are about to start a business. And you probably realize that new and mature businesses alike need access to money for a variety of vital and important reasons. The Business Finance Suite provides you an easy way to quickly access business credit, loans, and credit lines for your business at the best terms available, giving you a powerful business advantage. The Finance Suite helps you obtain the capital you need to build a hugely successful business, take control of your own business destiny, and avoid failing as most business owners who can't access money commonly do. Whether you're just starting your business or are looking for hundreds of thousands of dollars to grow, the Finance Suite provides a solution to help you get business credit, loans, and credit lines, even if you think you can't get approved with your bank. Did you know that using certain types of addresses can automatically get you denied for credit and financing? Did you know that not having your phone number listed with 411 or not having your business information listed congruently online can prevent you from getting loans and lines of credit? It's estimated that 89% of business owners who apply for financing at their bank are denied because they don't understand these types of criteria that lenders are looking for to approve you. This can cost you the vital capital you need to grow a profitable business, support your family, and live the exceptional life you deserve to have. You're already worked too hard to let banking and lender secrets hold you back. With your Business Finance Suite and help from your Finance Suite business coaches, we help you through a lender and credit issuer validity check. All lenders and credit issuers have a secret, unpublished set of standards they use to determine if you should be denied or approved for credit and loans. Most business owners aren't invited into this insider circle of knowledge. They don't know about these secret standards and get denied when they try to apply for loans. With access to your own Finance Suite, you gain a huge competitive advantage and can easily access the money you need to grow quickly. We help set up all your business credit essentials, including your business phone number, fax number, business address, website, and email address the right way, making you more lendable. We help you set up your entity to limit your personal liability, get your EIN number from the IRS, get your DUNS number from Dun Bradstreet, and list your phone number with 411, helping you immediately qualify for credit and financing. If you're just starting out, you'll be in the fast lane to success right from the start. If you're an established business, we'll help you discover the lending standards you don't meet now, then help you exceed those standards to easily get approved when you apply for credit and loans. Through your Finance Suite, you'll also get set up and activate your business credit reports with Experian, Equifax Commercial, and Dun Bradstreet. You'll learn how to navigate and understand your commercial credit reports, easily fix inaccuracies on your business reports. You can even access business credit monitoring at a 90% discount from what the reporting agencies charge, saving you thousands of dollars you can reinvest into growing your business. This helps you quickly and easily start building your business credit and do it much cheaper than your competitors or trying it on your own. In the race for access to money and business credit, you'll have what many say is an unfair advantage over the competition. After we've set up and verified that your business meets these unpublished lender and credit issuer guidelines, next we develop a finance blueprint that maps out the loans and credit lines you can qualify for now and simple steps you can take to qualify for even more money. Your Finance Suite cross-checks your business information against underwriting guidelines for over 1,000 lenders and many different types of funding to determine all the money you can get right now. Because we work with every legitimate type of business financing that's available now, you may be able to get approved even when you can't get approved at your own bank, and in many cases, you can qualify for multiple types of loans and credit lines with great rates and low payments. You can also access no-doc credit lines and loans without supplying bank statements or tax returns, where even a startup business can't get approved. You can get approved for credit lines and loans that have no consumer credit requirements, some that even have no personal credit check, so there's no inquiry on your consumer credit reports, and you can get approved regardless of credit quality. Do you think this type of financing sounds expensive? It can be expensive if you try to obtain it on your own. But your finance blueprint and our system and our process are designed to help you to find financing that you'll qualify for and at the best rates given your situation. Capital is the lifeblood of your business. By being able to easily access the money you need when you need it, will give you the financial freedom to grow the business you've always dreamed of having, to spend your time and days in the ways you want and with the people you care about most without stress, chaos, and frenzy of a business that's not well funded. With our system, it's absolutely possible for you to access business financing with interest rates as low as 1%, even if you don't have collateral. Through your Business Finance Suite, you can access long-term loans, lines of credit, equipment and inventory financing, account receivable and purchase order financing, 401k and securities financing, SBA loans, financing from private investors, easy to qualify for revenue loans and credit lines, and many other types of business financing. The Finance Suite is the only place you can access all legitimate forms of business loans and credit lines through an abundance of lending programs and over 1,000 lenders. By accessing all financing in one place, you can get approved even when your bank won't approve you, and you may qualify for many different types of financing, helping you get the most amount of money at the best terms. But there is still more. After you've gotten access to the loans and credit lines, we'll help you establish business credit that's linked to your business EIN, not your personal SSN. Many entrepreneurs think they already have business credit established when they don't, so they're still supplying their personal Social Security number and personal guarantee each time they apply for credit. Other entrepreneurs think that business credit is only available for large companies, but we help you access it using a field-tested and proven system that's helped over 10,000 business owners obtain corporate credit over the last few years. Your business credit is based on your business's ability to pay, not you as the business owner. So, you can get approved for high-limit corporate credit accounts with no consumer credit check and no personal guarantee. SBA estimates that limits on these commercial credit accounts are 10 to 100 times higher than with consumer credit. In addition, we've streamlined the entire process used by credit issuers so we can help you obtain this credit quickly, whether you can or can't qualify for business financing. If you own a business, you can get business credit, and your Finance Suite and business advisors make it easy to obtain, helping you condense years of business credit building to only months. By building your business credit, you separate your consumer and commercial credit reports and your business and personal liability as SBA, Inc., NASDAQ, Score, Forbes, and other financial authorities recommend. As you quickly build your business credit, you'll be able to obtain credit with most major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Apple, Dell, Sam's Club, Home Depot, Staples, Shell, Sears, and many, many more, all in your business name and not linked to your consumer credit or personal Social Security number. Your Finance Suite provides you with the greatest access to commercial credit sources available anywhere, and it's the only place you can even access underwriting guidelines for each source, so you'll know you can get approved before you even apply. No more secret lists that credit issuers and lenders can use to deny you the financing you deserve to have. You'll also be able to obtain fleet credit for auto repairs, maintenance, and fuel, and get auto vehicle financing. And you can even get cash credit with Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, all without a consumer credit check and without a personal guarantee. We admit that this all may seem hard to believe, but we have spent millions of dollars and put massive amounts of resources and human capital behind the research, development, and proof of this system so you can access the money you need to grow. You can get approved for business credit with vendors immediately upon accessing your Finance Suite. You can be approved with credit with major retailers in 60 days or less and get cash credit and auto financing a couple of months later. And it's common to see limits of $20,000, $50,000, and even higher, all without a personal guarantee or consumer credit check. Your business credit is as important to your business as your consumer credit is to you as an individual. But unlike with consumer credit, the business reporting agencies will create a commercial credit report for your business and give you a failing credit score indicating you're a high-risk business even if you have no credit reporting. This makes you look unestablished or on the verge of filing bankruptcy to lenders and credit issuers, which prevents you from accessing the money you need to grow. And unlike with consumer credit, anyone who wants to can access your business credit reports. Lenders, credit issuers, customers, even competitors can all access your business reports to judge the credibility of your business. Plus, your business credit quality determines if you'll qualify for many types of business loans and credit lines, and it often determines the rates and terms you'll pay and how much you may get approved for. Just by building your business credit, you give your business a big advantage over your competitors who don't have this type of exclusive access. This all may sound like it's going to be costly and expensive, but you'll be pleasantly surprised. In fact, we can actually help you save thousands of dollars establishing your business credit, because when you work with us, you won't need to pay for things like your 411 listing, obtaining your DUNS number from Dun Bradstreet, getting your business credit profile activated with business reporting agencies, even ongoing business valuations so you can see how much your business is worth anytime. These savings are typically more than your enrollment, so it's more affordable to get business credit and financing with us than the slow results you'll struggle to get trying on your own. This keeps more money in your pocket to use to grow your business, make more profits, even take your family on a vacation, and own the car and home you've always dreamed of. And we don't just get you started and then abandon you. That's not how we work. Instead, as we help you become more lendable and as you've established some business credit, we will then revisit your finance blueprint to get you even more money. And you have indefinite access to your own finance team who make it easy for you to continue to get the money you need when you need it. The Business Finance Suite is the only place you can access all legitimate types of business lines and loans in one place. And it's the only solution that helps you easily and quickly access capital through credit lines, loans, and business credit. Contact us today to learn more about how to get business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal SSN and access loans and credit lines to grow your business.